The lower body reflexes will be performed in the same manner as the muscle strength exams were performed. We're going to test one side and then quickly test the other side and compare side-to-side responses. We've got 5 reflexes that we're going to go over, one being the knee reflex, one the Achilles reflex, and then the adductor reflex, the internal and external hamstrings. The first one will be the knee reflex. I'm going to have the patient close their eyes, strike the tendon. We got a good response. I want you to keep your eyes closed. Strike it again. Got another good response. Now the Achilles reflex. I'm going to just slightly dorsiflex the foot by reaching underneath the foot and letting her rest the foot on my hand. And then I'm going to reach back and I'm going to tap the Achilles tendon. And I got a real nice plantar flexion of the foot. Comparing side to side. I have the patient lay face down. Now we can do the adductor, internal and external hamstring all in this position. If I'm going to test the adductor, I'm going to have the patient medially rotate the leg. I find the adductor tendon along the medial side of the leg. I've located it, and I'm going to strike over the tendon, and I get a slight contraction of the adductor. For the internal and external hamstring, I just have the patient lay flat. I locate the tendon by slightly having the patient bend their knee against resistance, bring the leg up. I'm going to push down. And the tendons pop out quite easily. I've got them, you can relax the leg. I've got the tendon located, the medial hamstring tendon. I'm going to strike the tendon, and I'm watching for contraction and slight flexion of the knee. On the lateral hamstring, I locate the tendon, and I'm going to do the same thing, strike the tendon, and watch for contraction of the hamstring as well as slight flexion of the knee.